Our final performance of the night, and the producer of one of Olelo's longest running shows, Story TV, is none other than the man, the myth, the legend, Jeff Gere.
You know, I came to this thing and I thought, oh, I'm not going to know anybody here. I started walking around and I know so many of you. And the people that I knew introduced me to people I didn't know. And then I thought, oh my God, this is a great gathering of people. This is an awesome collection of powerhouse, knock your socks off people who are committed. I kept thinking, yeah, they got a big building. Yeah, they got guys who can tell you how to make everything happen. Yeah, they got cameras, they got everything else. But none of it goes out of the building and becomes programming without somebody who's sitting at your table right now who does it. You guys are heroes, every one of you. Every one of you rocks. So on that note, I thought I'd just begin my short little levity with a character sketch of the people that you meet in the halls of Olelo. I was gonna do the guys in the tech room, the facilities manager, you know, the guys who answer all your questions, but I thought they wouldn't help me out. So, once upon a time I was in Thailand, I was waiting for a boat and I was looking across, there was a poster there. Had a picture of a Starfish, beautiful bay, hotels. Had a little story, I'll tell it to you. Once upon a time, there was a little boy, little boy, little boy. Once upon a time, there was a little boy on the beach. Tide was out, he was walking around. There were all kinds of starfish there. Picking up a starfish, throw it in the sea. Picking up a starfish, throw it in the sea. Picking up a starfish, picking up a starfish, picking up a... Well, from the top of the hotel, there was a man with a pipe. He came down, he looked at, little boy, picking up starfish. He went down to the beach. He said, hey, little boy, what are you doing? Well, the tide went out and the starfish are in the sun and they're gonna get sunburned, so I'm picking up a starfish and throwing it in the sea. I'm picking up a starfish. There's a lot of starfish. You think you can save all those starfish? Don't be silly. Picked up a starfish, threw it in the sea. He said, I made a difference for that one. And that one. And that one. Doesn't that seem like the kind of story you'd tell in a room full of independent community television producers? Maybe we can't change the world, but we can change it for that one. And that one. Second story, because my time is short and your attention span, I know, is... Yeah, right. Oh, here's another one you see at Olelo. Hey, if you get a chance, ask Renee Ing what the meaning of Final Cut Pro is. She's still in the linear bay. Picking up the starfish. At Olelo, we accept everyone. Even me. Okay, second story. Fine. Fire! Fire was burning down the jungle. All the animals were running for cover. Their home was burning. They jumped in the river. The hyenas, the lions, the zebras, all the animals jumped to the other side for safety. On the other side of the river, they watched as the inferno infected and inflamed and ate up their homes. As they sat on the other side of the bank of the river, they watched the littlest bird, a parrot, come out of the flames, stop in the middle of the river, fill its beak with water, and turn around and spit that little bit of water out onto the flames. It hit the flames, of course, and back again, filled its beak, back to the flames. Back again. You guys can help me. You can do it. This is the kind of participatory thing. You can actually go into your glass of water if you'd like to. And turning this time, the elephant on the side of the river. Little parrot, you're too little. You can't put out the flames. Save yourself before you're burned. Come over here, sit on my head. We accept everyone at Olelo. Little parrot. Back again, filled the beak. This time, it was the hyena. Think you're so brave. Think you can make a difference. You're gonna put out the fire by yourself? You'll be burned. Burned alive. You think I care? Go ahead. 3 more passes, you'll be singed and burnt. This time, the giraffe. Oh, little parrot, I love you. Save yourself. You'll be burned in 3 or 4 passes. Come back, please. Save yourself before my heart bursts. Come, sit on my head. Save yourself. You can't put out those flames. You're much too little. Come, come, please come. The lion. Slow motion, get it on the camera. I am the king of beasts and I command you, stop this foolishness. Get yourself over here. You can't put out the fire. You're fooling everybody. Get over here. You can't make a difference. And then the little bird spoke for the first time and said to the assembled animals and said to us all in the Jataka tale, Buddhist teachings, 2,000 years at least. The little parrot said these words. I don't need your scorn, I don't need your advice, I don't need your compassion, I don't need your commandments, but there's one thing I need from you all, and I need it right now. I need your help. Help me. Together, if we work together, we can put out the flames that are engorging our homes. Help. Help me. Save your breath and help. the great God above looked down, hummed a little tune, saw the animals still not moving, saw the little bird flying back and forth, and the great God began to cry. And when the great God cries, the tears became rain and put out the fire. And everywhere one of those drops touched the singed feathers of that little parrot, the singed, burnt feathers fell out and new feathers began to grow on the spot. That's what gods can do. Beautiful colors, cacophonous colors, brilliant blues, gorgeous greens, yellows that sing, whites that are sparkling. So the next time you go down to the Honolulu Zoo and you see those parrots, or there's a guy outside saying, "Hey, you want a picture?" Those big parrots, and you wonder how the hell he lives with 6 of those birds that are going, wah, wah, wah. You'll see those colors, and you remember the parable and the lesson. The lesson, of course, is we can do everything together if we, alone we are little, together we are powerful. But we gotta get off our butt, and we here in this room are making a difference because we get up and we bless you.